how to turn off read receipts on Snapchat. So if you try to read your messages, it will show that the message has been opened to the other person. But if you don't want them to know that you've read their messages, first what you want to do is simply open your Snapchat first, and let's quickly go to our DM section right here. And as you can see here, I've just got a snap right here, but if you don't want them to know, what you can do first is make sure that the message or the snap has been loaded first, and you just want to simply turn on airplane mode real quick. So once you turn on your airplane mode and simply view your snap, or you can just turn off your Wi-Fi for now and just view the snap, you can see that if you again turn on your Wi-Fi, but before you do that, make sure to clear all of your recent apps. And once you do that, you can again turn on your Wi-Fi and turn off your airplane mode. Then what you can do is, if you go back, then they will know that you've already opened their snap. That's all for today's video. I'll see you guys on the next one.